United States government, through the U.S. Embassy and the U.S. Agency for International Development, has provided $300,000 in grants to UNICEF to confront the spread of the virus through improved hygiene in public schools. We do this through implementing communications and community engagement, improving infection prevention and control, providing critical hygiene supplies, and improving data collection and analysis. Now that the Ministry of Education has given the green light for children to return to in-person learning in the fall, this U.S.-funded initiative will help make students and schools safer for staff and students. The wash basins and supplies being donated will go a long way in helping to achieve that goal.
In addition to the early childhood development materials, we are also providing wash facilities. What is wash? So it's water, sanitation, and hygiene. The three go together. And as the Charge d'Affaires had alluded to, most of the schools, especially in some of the rural communities, do not necessarily have adequate water and sanitation and hygiene facilities. And so we really express a sincere appreciation to the government of the United States for supporting UNICEF in ensuring we can provide 157 water points to schools across all Belize to make sure that those who are most left behind can be supported by this initiative.
We have gotten great support from the U.S. government, USAID, the U.S. Embassy in Belize, and UNICEF, a long-standing partner in education. Without their support and help, we would be, much further behind in terms of our capacity for reopening safely. So partnerships, are key to the success of what we're trying to do. And this donation today, in terms of practical effects, the wash stations and these supplies, particularly as they relate to early childhood development, are very, very important as we continue our work to safely and responsibly reopen our schools.